Nakikita nyo yung mga propellers niya, ano na, ang dami ng gasgas. Bumunggo ako sa dalawang puno at pagulong-gulong sa lupa. Ito po nangyari sa aking drone. Nasira yung aking battery. Hindi ko ma-charge to ng tama pagkasira to, baka bumili ako ng bagong baterya. Hindi magandang klaseng frame kasi nakalabas itong mga wires dito sa tabi. The antenna, because the antenna may be bad. Yung kanyang antenna na sa receiver antenna naputol. So mga katropa, I had to buy a new battery na katulad nitong dati kong battery. At I'll just try to repair this later, but for now I'm gonna use the new battery. Nga lang, ang problema, hindi nakakabit yung XT60, kaya kailangan mag-ingat na naman ako sa pagkakabit ng connectors, kasi mamaya baka baliktad na naman, pumutok na naman yung ano ko, yung aking drone. Okay, getting ready to solder. Okay, it's a little hard to solder because it's a thick wire, and also I don't have a very good soldering iron. Yep. Okay, let's see. Yeah, good. It's good. Now, I don't know if you can see this. Yep. So now I put a set of heat shrinks in there. There, see? Yeah, looking good. Alright, I think it's ready. Yeah. Now we are going to try to charge this battery, the new battery. Okay. So you can see it's a little bit different. Okay. Charge. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but right here on this broken connector, you can see there is a metal that is being exposed, and ang problema ko dito, pagka nagkakabit ako, nagkakaroon ng mga sparks na galing dito pagka tumatama siya sa ibang wires. So kailangan ko munang i-insulate yon, and then saka ko aayusin tong connector na to. Titingnan ko kung kung magagawa kong ayusin. I have removed the receiver. As you can see, the one of the antennas has been cut off, and so hindi na magre-receive ng tama ito. The only way to do this is to repair the broken antenna, put in a new one, and it's gonna be a problem because it's soldered in. So I know how to solder it, but it's tiny. It's so small. I don't know if I'll be able to. I probably will be able to. It's gonna be hard though. But yeah, I already, as you can see, it's broken. Alright, I am replacing my receiver with a newer, or with a smaller, even smaller receiver. Because the other one got damaged and I'm forced to replace. Okay. So here's the new receiver. It's even smaller than the one that I put in there previously. This one is a FarSky R-XSR. Yung una kong nilagay, FarSky ano yun? FarSky XSR lang. Ito mas maliit. Kaya ako pinili ito kasi yung kanyang yung antenna removable, hindi katulad nung una kong binili, nakahinang, pag nasira ang hirap tanggalin, palitan. So ito, pagka nasira yung antenna, removable siya, tapos papalitan lang ng bago. Ito sinasabi ko, tingnan mo yung kanyang antena. Itong antena na to na maliit, see? Meron siyang connector dito sa dulo. Yan. So, pagka nasira yung antena dito sa bagong receiver na to, sabi yun, ito lang, papalitan ko lang yung antena nito. Mas maganda, di ba? Hello mga katropa! So nandito na naman tayo sa Roar Park ngayon, and we're gonna do a test flight again. I think this is the 6th time, huh? The 6th time. And so here we go. disarm! Well, at the rate we're going, it looks like we're gonna need a whole lot of practice and probably a few more crashes before we can probably get this, thoroughly and be able to fly it well enough. For now, we've been flying for about 3 weeks. Still need a lot of practice and a lot of tweaking on the drone. So I thought, why don't I give you guys a breakdown on how much did it actually cost me to do this project. Let's start on the drone itself. First, let's have the frame, which is $25.99. The next one, the Diatone Mamba ESC stack, $56.85. The TBS Unify Pro 32 VTX, $33.51. The FireSky RXSR receiver, $25.60. The Runcam camera, $23.88. And the battery, $24.99. And finally, we have 4 brushless motors for $31.91. So, the total cost of the drone, $225.73. Next, let's talk about the parts and accessories that you will need to fly and maintain the drone. Let's start with the FireSky Taranis X9D Plus. Now, the thing I've learned is that you have to have a compatible receiver with the transmitter. So make sure that you buy a pair of these things. The price for this receiver is $218, even more expensive than the drone itself. But the good thing is that you can use this on many drones. You can have as many as 18 different drones being controlled by this one receiver. Next, we have the FPV goggles, which I bought for $49.98. It's the cheapest one I found on the internet. The LiPo battery for the Taranis is $21.99. It's very important that you have replacement antennas for your FireSky receiver. This one is $9.90 for 10 pieces. Antennas for your video transmitter, $21.99. Pigtail antennas for your video transmitter, $5.99. Reserve 5-inch propellers, 15 pieces, $18.99. And finally, I bought this really cool soldering station for only $57.99. I bought this one because, well, I don't have a working soldering station. So the total cost for parts and accessories come down to $404.92. Now, most of these parts you don't have to buy all the time, and it's just there so you can maintain your drone and operate it. So, the total cost for the whole project, $630.65. Ang mahal, ano? Pero I think it's worth it kasi ang dami kong natutunan dito sa paggawa ng drone na to. Kasi wala naman ako talagang alam sa pagdating sa mga remote controlled things. Pero dito sa project na to, natutunan ko yung many different things tulad ng receiver, saka yung transmitter, yung pag-tweak ng drone. Very technical din pero if you put your heart and mind to it, maiintindihan mo rin. So, yeah, I think it's worth it because it's very educational. I learned a lot. And I hope Ferrin learned a few things too, like flying the drone. Hello mga katropa. So, eto na naman tayo. Iniisip ko na tapusin ko na itong drone project na to kasi parang walang katapusan kasi wala akong ginawa kundi mag-repair, mag-practice, tapos mag-crash, repair na naman uli. Hindi matatapos to kung palagi na lang ganon. So, every now and then magpa-follow up na lang ako tungkol sa drone. For now, I think I can go ahead and finish this drone project, and I hope you were entertained and it was educational to you. Hopefully, with this video, you will be able to make your own drone if you really want to. And if you have any questions about the drone, let me know. Write a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe, and support my video so that I can continue on making these educational videos for you. Thank you very much and hope to see you on the next vlog. Bye-bye!